welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. If you guys are new, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and also make sure your notifications are turned on so you won't miss another video from me and myself and I. Before we get started today, I just wanted to go ahead and shout out these people. Thank you so much for having your notifications turned on, and also thank you so much for, you know, commenting and sharing the love and supporting your girl. So if you guys want to be a part of the notification squad or the shout out, don't forget to make sure your notifications is on and also comment notification squad or whatever it is you want to comment. So yeah, today's unit, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this flawless install. Okay, this unit is so freaking bomb, y'all. I'm not even gassing. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. This unit is so freaking fire. So if you guys are interested in seeing this unit and how I install it, and by the way, it's glueless. Okay, I sprayed a little bit here, but it's not fully secured. So if you guys are interested in that, just don't forget to stay tuned. And excuse this, like I said in my other videos, I battle severely with eczema. So if you guys see this dry patch, I did moisturize it, but it's dry again. And these like normally cover my whole body. And with that being said, I do apologize in advance for that. Alright guys, so we are gonna go ahead and get started with today's video. And today's hair is from Bilace wigs. They did send over a pamphlet just like this. Then they also sent over a little cute brush. So this is how your hair is gonna come packaged, with a hairnet over it just to keep all the hairs in place. And highlights on this unit, do you guys not see this? And the hair is very, very soft. Of course, it has a smell to it, but it's a good smell. Like, it really smells good. So yeah, they stated that it's a natural color with caramel highlights. Or is it caramel or caramel? I think it's, I say caramel, but you know, it's a lot of debate. Caramel, whatever. But anyway, it's a 13 by 6 unit, as you guys can see. And this is 12 inches, and the density on this unit is 150. This is the construction of the lace. Like I said, it is a 13 by 6 lace front. It does include the wig cap, the elastic band. I normally just take these off because I don't use them, so I'm just taking those off. And it comes with a comb right here and a comb on the side as well. And then it comes with a comb at the nape and drawstrings. So this is what the lace looks like on the back of my hand. As you guys can see, it is transparent, but it does have like a vanilla tint to it. So I'm gonna have to put a foundation on that part. And they also stated that the knots are invisible and that it has baby hair. So I'm about to put it on my head so we can see what it looks like. This is what she is looking like when she's just placed on my head for the first time, and I'm looking like somebody auntie right now. I love it though. It's super freaking cute, but I am low-key looking like somebody's auntie now. Yo, what happens if somebody just put this on and go out the door like this? Like nobody can tell me nothing. Nobody can tell me nothing right now because I'm popping. Okay, now you gotta have some mad confidence for that. But hey girl. Okay, let me stop playing. Okay, anyway, let me show you guys the hairline. And as you guys can see, they did, you know, leave out some of the baby hairs if you want to maneuver that. You can see I did add some foundation to the unit, and she looks 10 times better. I know I got some foundation right here in some of these areas, but y'all not gonna see that, honestly. This is a side part. Right here. So okay, so it's meant to be a side part. Okay, so this unit is actually meant to be a side part. Just gonna brush her out because, like I said, I did cut the lace off, so there is gonna be a little bit of shedding. But this is what she's looking like right now. I know this is supposed to be a side part wig. Well, at least that's what it says. But I don't think I'm wearing a side part, because I feel like it would, all the blonde would just be on one side. You know? We not gonna do that. Cringy. Now you cannot go out the house like this. You gotta make sure everything is flat, and you gotta make sure your part is straight. Because if your part is not straight, I'm telling you right now, it's gonna make your head look lopsided. So we are definitely doing something new today, because I don't do stuff like this. Y'all know how I secure all my units down. Look at these flyaways. So there is flyaways, you guys can see them. We probably can't, but we're gonna tame them down with the little wax stick. This serum that I'm gonna use to protect my unit is gonna be the Chi Keratin Silk Infusion. This stuff smells so bomb. Right here, put a little bit of this on your hair, and hunty, it is gonna be smelling so bomb. Now, one thing about this product though, a little goes a long way. You can make your hair very much laid down. I mean, very much weighed down if you use too much. So the only time I OD is on the top of my unit, because I want it to lay as flat as possible. So that's when I OD. But as far as the bottom of the hair, I try to go light with it. So I'm taking this hot comb. This hot comb came from Amazon. I would have this link down below, as well as the Chi Silk Infusion, a heat protecting serum. But these two, this is the best $20 I've ever spent on a freaking hot comb, and it gets the job done. I think I always use my hot combs on the setting of 20, because it's just freaking flawless, sis. So now I am going in with my wax stick, and we're gonna OD on this, because I do see some flyaways, and most units I have flyaways, but the wax stick helps everything lay down. And look at this, it makes sure the top of the head looks so freaking flawless and just nice and laid down and flat. And that's what you want the top of your head to look like. So I'm gonna cut a few baby hairs in here. I don't know if I'm just gonna do that one swoop. I think before I cut that, I'm gonna go in with some concealer. Alright, so I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this is in the shade Deep. And I'm just using my Morphe M165. It's like an angled brush, like this. And I'm just gonna put that on the part. Blasting free spray to swoop that. This is the product. This is the only spray that I know will keep my edges down. Like these. This looks stupid. I don't like how. I do not like how that's looking. Go in with a little bit of my Sleek and Shine, a little bit this Sleek and Shine by Garnier, and spray this on the top, just so those flyaways can be sure they're not going nowhere. And then I'm gonna lightly spray on my hair, just so it could be flawless. The regular hair, this hair is so freaking soft. I didn't wash or condition the hair, so this is what you're gonna get if you're just doing it straight out the box like I am. I'm just keeping the bump in it. I'm just doing it the opposite way, because it was like flaring out like this. I don't like that. So this is what this side looks like, flat iron. This one looks so freaking bomb. Okay, so yeah, this looks very, very pretty. I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. And this is the side that didn't. And as you see, once you like press it out a little bit more, it does look, it gives you more length. Like, I don't really do lengths like this. It's too short, but it's not bad. All right guys, so we are complete. I'm about to actually switch my shirt because this wasn't the shirt I was gonna wear, but this is looking so bomb right now. I'm just feeling amazing. Like, I love this freaking bob. Look at this. I do feel like it's more highlights, however, on this side, so it's probably really meant to be a side part, but you know, we will still make it work. I did not have to cut it to make it look like blunt like this. They did the dang thing. So yeah guys, this is how the hair turned out. This is the finished look of it, and I can say it's so freaking beautiful. But y'all, this hair was so freaking easy to work with. Like I said, when I got out of the package, I didn't wash it, I didn't condition it, I didn't do anything. This is just what it's looking like straight out the package. Like I said, I don't know if it's meant to be in a side part. I know the information that I said is supposed to be a side part, but you can, as you guys can see, you can alter it for a middle part, straight hair, side part, bob wig. Yeah, so it's a middle part right now, but I love it, love it, love it like this. The density, like I said, is 150%, so it's not too thick and it's not like unrealistic, because you know the density is just right. It really looks very, very natural to me. Y'all seen I went in and just cleaned up the part a little bit. I still have a little bit of flyaways, so you are gonna get some flyaways with this unit, but you can fix that. Like I said, I gave y'all some tips. Other than that, sis, this bob is popping. You can't tell me nothing. So yeah, it is definitely TJ approved. I did not get one tangle with this unit whatsoever, not even one. Okay, I was able to go through this unit and, you know, maneuver as normal, and as you guys can see, my comb is just gliding right through, and that was even when I first took it out of the package. Now shedding, on the other hand, I only got shedding once I cut into the unit. That was it. As you guys can see on my shirt, you guys don't see any. I'll come up so you guys can see my shirt. You don't see any loose hairs falling out, so that is always perfecto. So I'm really, really impressed with the Bilace unit. Anyway, I love how even this is, because you know, sometimes when you're trying to get highlights, some of the highlights would be too close to the root, but they made sure, I can tell that they actually took their time with this unit and made sure that everything was even. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. All information in regards to this unit will be listed down in the description section below. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys are feeling this unit or not. So yeah, until next time, your girl will see you later. Bye guys.